Hi, welcome to CryptoUnity's guide. Let's get started. For the first step, open your App Store. In the search bar, type Metamask and press Search. Click on Metamask Blockchain Wallet and download it. Click on Get Started. Select Create a new wallet on the bottom, and here you can agree with improvements. Now set a primary password which you'll use to enter your crypto wallet. Confirm in the box below. Agree to the terms of use and click Create Password. The secret recovery phrase is the most important thing for assuring your wallet's safety. That is why we recommend pausing the guide at this point and carefully watching this short clip to understand what a secret phrase even is and how to use it. After you've finished watching, click Start. Carefully store your secret recovery phrase. You can write it down on a piece of paper, just make sure it's in the right sequence and do not trust it to anyone. You can now click View to reveal your secret recovery phrase. You can pause the video again and write it down. When the phrase is safely stored, click Continue and select the words in the same sequence that you have written down. Then click Complete Backup. Congratulations! You have your very own crypto wallet. Click Done on the bottom. If you have any questions, we are happy to answer them.